Hello guys, I have my chicken, got some hock, and I need to clean up, feed to my dog. Look at this, my chicken. Yep, somebody put on the hock, see that thing, the hock. So I need to cook so it don't go to waste. Cook my chicken and clean it up. Looks hock got it. Put some, pull the feeders, put some hot water on it. Or get hot water. Pull the feeders, clean up. Look like too much water makes peel off the skin. Can you see guys? Chicken. Yeah, this is. Huh? Still cleaning the chicken. What? Huh? You got in the webs in the internet. Takes a long to pull the feeders. Yeah. Clean up. Stick on it. Hot water. Okay guys, I just need to finish this up chicken. It's full of feeders. Bye bye guys.